So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and as I have promised, we are back with the another video on the Gann box. In the previous video we were talking about the Gann box. We have started fixing the Gann box and we had completed our first step for fixation of a Gann box, and today we are going to build upon that. So if anybody have not watched that video, please go to our channel and do watch that part 1 of the Gann box so that you can continue with this one, because some parts have been covered in that. So let me give you a brief that what we have done till now is that this red line is the low of the India Bull Housing Finance on a daily chart, and this is the high. Okay, this is the all-time high for the price section that we have selected here. India Bull Housing Finance have fallen further, and we'll talk about on it later. Okay, right now we are talking about the previous charts, we are talking about the history, so let's be on that. Okay, and this is the all-time high for the iBull Housing Finance, and this is the 45-degree line that we have drawn. So now for drawing this 45-degree line, one way I have taught you to use the trend angle. This is the trend angle line. You can use this, or either you can use this Gann square fixed here. If you put the Gann square fix here, so now this is how it looks like. Gann square you can extend to the level you want, and this line, the middle line in the Gann square fix, is the 45-degree line. There is a little difference between our line and this line. Yeah, it happens in the Gann square fix because it use some different kind of precision, so that's why this thing happens. So you can use this, but it makes chart looks messier. That's why I don't use it. I normally use this line. So now this is the our first step completed. Now what we will do is we are going to take the Gann box and we are going to fix the Gann box. And let's do one thing, that is, let's analyze whole the chart together. Let's just not analyze this chart. So what for that, what we have to do is that we have to find here the low of the all-time low of this stock, the all-time low of the iBull Housing Finance. All-time high we have marked, and now we are looking for the all-time low. Okay, so all-time low is somewhere here only, looks like that only, and here it is 20th March. Low is 81.40. 19th March it is. Okay, so I have to zoom a bit in, it's becoming difficult. Yeah, 20 March low is 81, and according to me this is the level, this is the low for the 81. So Alt H line, this upper line we will delete it. Okay, and the date was 20th March on Alt V for a vertical line also. So yeah, let's set the coordinate for this red line. Go to the settings, and it's saying 84, so we need to be very precise. 81 I think was the low. 81, yeah, okay, 81 was low. And now let's lock this line, then also lock this line. Here we have locked the lines. So this is the all-time low of iBull Housing Finance, and date and the price have been locked. And now this is the all-time high of the iBull Housing Finance, and date and time and price have been locked. So now what we are going to do is we are going to fix a Gann box here, then we will clone it further. So let's zoom a bit. Okay, but what we want is that all of this, the high and the low should be on our screen at once. Okay, so we can zoom a bit more. I think we can zoom. Yeah, we can zoom a bit more. Yeah, it's looking good now. Looking good, fair enough. Now let's first draw that 45-degree line. I have told you both the methods to draw that. I'm using trend angle. Here is the trend angle. I'll put it right here. You need to be very precise while doing this. That's why I keep on taking help of okay, let's fix it here only. No, I can't fix it here. You at least have to cross this. Okay, the settings, angle 45. Here you can change the angle. These settings are really important, do remember them. Yeah, so this is the 45-degree line we have created. Now let's take a Gann box and let's put the Gann box on the screen. So here is the Gann box. We have to be very precise and clear about it. Okay, so Gann box being fixed. Now let's change the settings. Here was our high day 1440. Okay, let's check the coordinate for this all-time high line, 1440. I have noticed there is a 1440 day, so I'll shift it to 1440. Okay, 1440 I have shifted to, and this is 29th Jan 18. So 29th Jan 18. Okay, 29th Jan 18, Alt V. This is the line we want now. Okay, now let's change the coordinate of our Gann box. Let's go to the setting of the Gann box. 108 it is saying, but our low was 81, so 81 and 1444. Okay, now let's move and fix it right here. Okay, just to be completely precise. Okay, again a little movement. 81 and 1444. Okay, now it is perfect. Now it is perfectly, so we will lock it. So now here we have placed our Gann box. Okay, so the price level, the low is 81, the high is 1444. In between that we have put our Gann box. We have fixed our Gann box. So this is how now our chart looks like. Now let's do one thing, and that thing is we have to now clone this Gann box. Okay, we have to clone this. So it's more, here we'll go and clone. So the clone of our Gann box has been made. Okay, we have to unlock it first, and then we can easily put it. Okay, okay, now let's check the coordinates of this one. The price needs to be 81 and okay, the price needs to be 81 and 1444. Okay, and here we'll check one more thing in this one. So the visibility 1484 and 41. 484 and 41 for this one is we have to keep checking. This takes time, and it is really 48441. So this has to be 41 here. Now it is perfectly placed. The both these lines are now over each other. So now this Gann box, our setup has been completely placed. Now we'll zoom out a bit. Okay, so here it is perfectly placed. It looks like a little messier, but it is really important. Gann box keeps on giving us level, different levels. So here, as you can see, that the prices in the Gann box remains there for a while prices have entered a particular box, it remains over in that price. Now here the 45-degree line that we have created is always acting sometimes like support or sometimes like resistance. So this 45-degree line's role is to act as support or resistance. On different time of period it acts differently. So this is the major role of this line. Here you can see that the prices were above the 45-degree line. So whenever the prices are above the 45-degree line, they will always regress toward the 45-degree. Here prices will try to come to the 45-degree, and if the prices are below the 45-degree line, then they are always trying to come close to the 45-degree line. So this is the theory of Mr. Gann. Apart from that, you can see these boxes, these lines, these different angle geometricals, as Mr. Gann believed that the prices moves in a very geometrical manner. So in that as you can see that each and every line at a different point of time have acted for so many days either as a support or as a resistance. Here you can see this price has acted as a support, then it acted as a resistance, and here also prices have taken support, one breached down, then fallen badly, again taking support over here, and then again trying to go above this. So this is give you moving different level of resistance and support. We have zoomed in chart, that's why it looks like that prices have not sustained there or have not been there for too long. But if you zoom out a bit, then you will find out that prices been there in the Gann boxes for many days. Here you can see for how many days prices have taken support over here, and then prices have moved up again. Here as you can see that, then always prices are always trying to reach that 45-degree line. So here prices will try to go up, or if they don't go up, then they will try to take a support over here. Obviously, definitely this can happen that someday prices will not get support on this line and they will break down. And now that's the share market. All these theories that we study are not completely perfect and will not work in each and every circumstances, but yeah, they do work. Look here again, how this line has acted as a resistance for this price, so and this acted as a support. So this is the theory of Mr. Gann, that these different angles on the price chart that he has created will act as a different dynamic support and resistance for the price, and prices will always be regressing toward this 45-degree line. So this is the theory. So for whenever you are trading, you have identified something that okay, I'm thinking that prices will be falling from here, and you put a Gann box and you see here prices are touching the Gann box 0.618-degree angles resistance, then you can definitely be sure about it. Okay, there are two things which are confirming that prices are going to fall, and you can then take that trade. So this is how you can use a Gann box and how you can fix it. You have to be very precise, your hands need to be very steady, and we have completed our Gann box. Hopefully all of you must have got what we were trying to communicate, and I hope all of you liked the video and you will be able to use this box in your trading setup. So thank you so much for watching the video, everyone. Don't forget to like this video. Please do share this video with your friends and family, and also educate them about the share market and different trading tools and techniques. And please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive this kind of different educational analysis video on daily basis. So thank you so much everyone for watching once again.